My name's Erica. I'm a financial coordinator in the behavioral health industry, and I give Envoy a 5. Before Envoy, we had a paper sign-in system that we had to manually enter into our billing software. So switching over provided safety, especially now during COVID, without having to touch pens and pass a clipboard around. It made it much more easy and convenient. Also, all of our information, all of our sign-ins are run there in one nice convenient place that I can export right out of Envoy and into Excel to pull the information and the data I need, which made it really amazing. The reason we chose Envoy is because of its ease of use and convenience. We were able to get our iPads set up that we already had. It was able to have on-wall stations so people could use it themselves, freeing up more of our staff from doing those sign-ins. The overall use and ease of Envoy was everything that we needed to keep our business flowing, to keep us COVID compliant, and just make everything go smoothly. Envoy onboarding and switching everything over was so simple. I was even able to get all of our staff together and get them trained in a short 15-minute session. Everybody felt comfortable and able to use Envoy. Everything was just seamless. It just kind of moved over. It wasn't a big deal at all. It was a huge concern, but once we did it and saw how easy it was just perfect. The recommendations that I would give for using Envoy is, everything is right there. We have our legal user agreements all downloaded onto the system so that way everything's signed in one fell swoop. Our permissions for taking photos, everything we need, we're able to upload. So you can even put in your legal documents that you need signed when people show up. They can sign in themselves. It gives you a photo so you're able to identify the person you're looking for if maybe this is your first time meeting them. Like I said, it keeps all of your information in one nice place, which is easily able to export to an Excel spreadsheet so that way you can do whatever you need with the data, separate your visitors to types, times, all different kinds of things, capture signatures, email addresses, phone numbers, everything in one nice little package.